here at the Florida RV Supershow in Tampa, and we're going to take you around and show you all of the B+ RVs that we can find. What's a B+ RV? So it's technically a Class C, but it's on the smaller side and usually doesn't have that cab over. And we're going to start right here with leisure travel van, because when we were researching our first RV, we absolutely fell in love with these RVs. There's two different types. There's the Wonder, which is on a Ford Transit chassis, and a Unity, which is on a Mercedes Sprinter chassis. The floor plan right here is the one that we really like, because it's got a sofa set up with a nice TV and a Murphy bed, big kitchen, and a rear bath. Let's go check it out. And this is the other floor plan if you want to bring the kiddos along, because there's extra seats with extra seat belts.
Okay, here is a Leisure Wonder with the rear twin bed layout. Tell you what, this little 23-foot Prism by Coachman is pretty cool looking on the inside. Look at this thing.
So we're over here at the Regency's right now, and you'll see these look a lot like the leisure travel vans. The difference is leisure travel van is built in Canada and Regency is built in the United States, but the floor plans are very similar, the outsides are very similar. Let's go take a look at a few. So there are 3 different floor plans to choose from in addition to the one that we just saw. This one is my favorite with the sofa and Murphy bed layout. The third model has a U-shaped lounge area in the back that turns into a bed. So kind of different, you know, if you're gonna lounge a lot and want that kind of space.
Kind of cool though.
It is kind of cool, but you'd have to convert the bed every night.
Oh, of course we have to do the Thor Gemini, because duh, we've had one.
So the Gemini has 2 different floor plans. This one is the 23 TW, which is what we used to have, and there's also the 23 TE, which we'll show you in a second, but come look. Oh yeah, this brings back memories. This was our first ever RV, was the Gemini, and it hadn't changed much because we had the 2021, this is the 2023, and I'm not seeing hardly any changes at all. Nice unit. This one's the same as ours. This dinette makes into a bed. Storage, you got the flip up bed back there. I like this open kitchen area. Oh, they did change the refrigerator a little bit.
It's bigger. It has a separate freezer on the bottom.
Yeah. We didn't have that. We just had like a little cubby.
That's a nice change.
That is nice. Big fridge. And the 23 TE has a Murphy bed with a sofa in front of it. Kind of neat layout. Come check this out. Yeah, so this one's got a nice comfortable lounge area and a TV that pops up across from you. And here's your bed. So when you get ready for bed, This couch kind of lays down and the bed comes down on top of it. But you've got kind of a galley-style kitchen and a rear bath.
Man, I really like this one.
I do too. I love the rear bath.
This one's better than the TW, in my opinion.
Well, we picked the TW for the dinette so we would have office space. But now, living in a van, we realize you don't need
This
that
is more our
space.
jam now.
This is more our jam. These Ekkos are really cool. Very outdoorsy, very, lots of storage. You can fit a lot of different outdoor items in here. A couple of different floor plans. Let's check these out.
Got up here. Okay, we got 3 solar panels. Looks like 2 100 watts and 1 50 watt maybe. Looks like it's got about 250 watts. Don't hold me to that, but I think so. And it's got a large roof rack and an antenna and an AC.
The Winnebago View is definitely a Class C because it does have the cab over the bunk over the cab. One more time.
Bloopers.
The Winnebago View really is a Class C because it does have the bunk over the cab, but we are still going to put that in our Class B plus category because of its size. We really like the View. It's got good quality, 3 different layouts. Let's go check it out. Right here, the Atlas is the Airstream version of a B+. So it's a little bit bigger than a regular van, a little wider, and has a slide out.
Now is a modern Creed. I don't have a formal.
I like this. This is the Tommy Bahama Airstream.
Those 3 colors.
Living the island life.
Right?
Man, this is.
And I said Birmingham, it's actually
quality.
Calera.
This one's over 300 grand. I think it's like 301 or 303.
And this is a B+, right?
This is a B+. It's
see
got the
that
Murphy
shower?
bed. Look at this.
What?
They do.
You can tell it's the Airstream signature with the stainless steel.
Monica
But
Jones.
look at the quality here, man.
She is knowledgeable. She sells 90% of
Again, this is the Tommy Bahama version.
Monica Jones.
Really upscale, high quality. Love the layout. Very
Pleasure
open.
meeting you. Yeah, enjoy the show.
Then a TV comes up here.
Yes.
Murphy bed right there. There are tons of B+ RVs at this show. We didn't get to all of them, but we showed you quite a few. Let us know which one you liked the best. When we started out, our first RV ever was the Thor Gemini 23 TW, and we loved it, but we just decided to go to a van instead because that's just what works better for us. But let us know what you like, which one of these you like the best. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Bye.